Okay, day after the Super Bowl, Durango. Hope everyone's not too hungover. Hope everyone had fun yesterday. Let's have some fun here. Where are we at? $100 in our favorite. So what's this? So we're trying it again with just, whoops, that was already. With just no lit up firecrackers. Let's see what happens. Oh, that's pretty good. So, can you get the zone boost without the other ones? I don't know. Oh, it doesn't count? No. Let's go. Thing. Oh, they keep like filling up like one by one, I guess. Okay. Now it can pop at any time. That is the magic. Oh, mini. That'd be good. Come on. What is the mini? 50 bucks. Oh, that's not bad. Most minis are just 10 or 20. That's okay. It looked like it was going to. It looked like it was going to. Up the bet a bit. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, that would have been really fun. Okay, some queens. Can it just do randomly? Or it has to be the symbols? No pot, or not pots, no rockets yet. Okay. Come on. Oh, 2 would be nice. Very nice. Okay, okay. Not yet. Still working on it. Still waking up after Super Bowl Sunday. Okay, working on it still. Okay. Oh. That's insufficient funds, and to put in more. Little baby ones. She said put a couple of baby bets. Baby bets didn't do anything. Okay. So should we go to a new machine? We want to put in one more. Okay. Alright. Oh yeah, so we're gonna put in a ticket. Yeah. So this is, we're in cahoots on this one. We will split the profits on this one. Okay. Is that the magic? Yes, we got it. Double up bonus. Okay.
Double up bonus.
So I'm in for 100 myself. Wifey put pretty much $5 in. So that ticket, I'd say, yeah, because we got $86 on that ticket. So we only used $5 of it so far. So that's a good thing. Let's see some big numbers here. Come on. 3, 4. Oh, it's only 3. That was 4. Okay. I like it. Let's see the major drop. Bottom row. Major. or grand. Of course, you have to get them all one by one. We're fine with a bunch of little baby ones to get that grand one, okay? That's totally fine.
Wow.
Oh, come on. No, don't stop now. Don't stop. Come on, magic. Voodoo. Karate chop. Come on. Don't stop. Oh, okay. Last second. Okay. Let's do another karate chop. They didn't like the karate chop. Okay, so let's just do a fast, quick one. Don't waste any of their time. Okay. So you just need to fill all positions on one of them to get that grand. So let's do that. Come on, drop some big numbers now. Or I'm down with the little ones. That's totally fine too, as long as you just fill the whole thing up. Okay, one more chance. Double up. Double up. Okay, there we go. That was good. Just pointing back. Remind him that the play is on him. And we're gonna need his help. This is a team effort. Oh, is the top one done? Oh, game one is complete. Okay, I didn't realize that. Okay, okay, that's... Come on, 2.
Hi.
Come on, okay. You know what to do. You know what to do, bottom row. Ah, okay. We didn't get any like zone booster thingamajiggers, but did I get my money back from the first one? That's what's... I don't think so. I got some of it back. We can go eat and then come back. I got more than half of my money back. That's okay. Alright. Coin shower, okay, I guess. Money winner. Okay. Cool. It would've been nice to get like a boost with that, but that's all. Still nice to pop it. Couple of backup spins. Oh wow, that's 5 of a kind. Oh yeah, it's 5 of a kind pots. That's pretty good. I've noticed that after like boosts and I do the backup spins, I usually get like, I don't get like a bonus right away, but I will get some big line hits, which is always fun. Green. Oh, oof. It looked like it wanted to. Oh, come on. Oh, you hear that first one? You're like, just one more ding-a-ling. Come on. Come on. Ah, the first one and then that second one. Come on. Oh, the other 2 are right there again. There's a chance for the 3. Okay, how much more should we? Do you want to go eat? Okay, we're gonna go eat and then we'll come back for more vindication. See you then.